So, Jamie, how do you feel being elected the president of Tennessee? I feel good, but it's just my first day and I already got $5 million. And I'll probably be buying me a brand new suit. But if I'm elected president, which will probably never happen, I will be good. Well, the only way you can be elected president is being a good lawyer. Okay? I'll try being a very good lawyer. Better than anyone. And then you're gonna have a contest in the next 4 years. Next 4 years, that's stupid. That's stupid trash. But I'm good talking with you, Dame. Wait, I said my name. Good talking to you, James. Nice talking to you, Daniel. Well, guys, we're gonna have a activation of the emergency alert system. Please stand by. And then after this, we'll have more talk shows. Got anything to say, James? Yes. Hope that child gets found. Whoever found it, I'm gonna kill that guy who stole it. Okay, that looks like it's a wrap. We'll meet you up later. But anyways, stay tuned for the activation of the emergency alert system. Thank you guys for watching.